Okay, so in your notes, for the mate constraints on two axes, you should have gotten something like this. It allows the two parts to slide back and forth along their shared axis. The next thing that we want to talk about is how to use the rotation constraint. So, the rotation constraint is super useful to keep things from spinning. So, going back to this example here, we have this piece that is pinned, and this piece is allowed to pin because we went ahead and constrained using a mate constraint with center axes. As you can see, that line is right in there. We have a little arrow that says it can still spin. And now maybe we don't want this to spin anymore. Maybe we want him to be stuck at a 45-degree angle, for example. What I can do is go to Assemble, Constraints Out. You can go to Assemble, Constrain, and then right in here, there's my mate constraints. Over here is my insert constraints, and then right here is my angle constraint. Click on that angle constraint, and it's going to ask for three things. One, a flat surface. Two, a second flat surface. And then three, a reference vector, which is to say a line around which we can spin. Seeing that in action, I'm going to select this flat surface here and this flat surface here. And then number three would be around what are these going to rotate? And I want them to rotate around this center green axis. Click. Right now it is a 0-degree angle, which means it's a flat line. That's perfectly flat. Maybe I can put in 25 degrees. You can see that 25 degrees, how this flat surface, kind of like this flat surface here and this flat surface are now at 25 degrees. Please excuse the bell. Flat surface and flat surface selection 1 and 2 are now being pivoted around that central axis there at a degree of 25. I can go ahead and put 45 like we talked about. Maybe I want it to go the other way, so I can write -45. And I can hit apply. And looking good now. This is stuck at 45 degrees. Looking great. And that would be how you use the rotation constraint.